Is screen visible now? Is screen visible now? I hope yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is screen visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right? Okay. Fine. Uh, Today I will talk on types of operators. Okay. Types of operators. So see, in C language, there are different types of operators. Minus A. So the minus sign is applicable on a single operand, on a single term, and that is why it is called as unary operator. It works on single operand. It works on single term. That is why it is called as unary operator. If you go to the other operators like plus, star, slash, then it is A plus B, A star B, A slash B. It requires two operands. It requires two terms. And that is why this is called as binary operator. It is called as binary operator because plus is applicable if you have two terms A and B. Star you can apply if you have two terms A and B. You can perform division if you have two terms A and B. And that is why plus, star, slash, these are the binary operator that requires two terms, two operands. So our regular arithmetic operators plus, minus, star, slash are divided like this. So there is a single unary operator and three binary operators. In C language, there is a one more different kind of operator called as tertiary operator. It requires three operands. And let us see what is its symbol. Let us see what is its symbol. See, question mark and colon. Question mark and colon is the symbol for tertiary operator. It is not our regular operator. It is a totally different kind of operator. It may not be available in other languages. It's one of the good feature of C language, tertiary operator. All right. Now I will give you the syntax of tertiary operator. So see, this is the syntax of tertiary operator. Can you see here question mark? Yes. Can you see here colon? Yes. So between question mark and colon, you can find that there is one condition, there is one action T, there is one action F. Now, condition means what? A less than B, A greater than B, A less than or equal to B, A greater than or equal to B, A equal to B, A not equal to B. So this is the condition. And this condition will have A less than B. It is either true or false. A greater than B. It is either true or false. A less than or equal to B. Either true or false. A greater than or equal to B. Either true or false. So if your condition is true, you are supposed to perform this action because it is action T. T means true. So you are performing this set of action when your condition is true. When your condition is false, you will be going to this another set of action. Action F. So this is the set of action that are expected to be performed if condition is false. So can you see that there are three terms? Condition is a one term, action T is one term, action F is one term. So totally there are three terms. That is why it is a tertiary operator. Another thing is, before question mark, there is a condition. Between question mark and colon, there is action T. And after colon, there is action F. So this is the tertiary operator. Now read this statement. It is a good replacement for if-else statement. Instead of if-else, you can very well use tertiary operator. And that is the feature of C language. You know that in if-else, if we put certain condition, and if that condition is true, we perform certain action. If that condition is false, we go for else part, and in else part, there is another set of action. So instead of if else, you can very well use tertiary operator. So I have given you its theoretical background. It's a format. Now we will go for program. So I will ask Astadoshi to share your screen, and we will go for a program. We will go for a program. Astadoshi will share her screen. Okay. Astadoshi have shared her screen. We will go for a program for determining whether a number is even or odd. We'll go for simple program, whether number is even or odd, and that program we have already written using if else statement. The same program we will replace by tertiary operator. So write down INTN, semicolon, CLR SCR, CLR SCR, printf, enter the number n, enter the number n equal to double into comma complete, bracket complete, semicolon, scanf, yes, enter. So this is the data entry through keyboard. Now we will write down in bracket, we will write down the condition, bracket, goal bracket, round bracket, n %2, n %2. We know that n %2 means reminder, and if this reminder is 0, equal 0, if reminder is 0, bracket complete, question mark, okay, we are using tertiary operator. So before question mark, we have given the condition, and that condition is we are checking whether remainder of n when divided by 2 is 0. If yes, our declaration is n is a even number. If not, our declaration is number is not even, or it is an odd number. So printf in bracket double inverted comma, the given number given number percent d is even, double into comma complete, bracket comma n, bracket complete, semicolon. Now give colon. Now we have to replace similar statement to show the number is odd. Not like this. Read the earlier statement, how we have written. Semicolon. Enter. Get ch and close the curly bracket. Okay. Compile. There is a error. We'll see what is that error. Okay. Okay. Put this printf statement in curly brackets. Put this printf statements in curly bracket. Give the space, appropriate space. Give the appropriate space. Put curly bracket. Why you are not giving the space? Here also. No. Wait. Complete the first printf statement, put in curly bracket and close that also after semicolon. Yes. Again, do the same thing. Again, do the same thing. Give the space. Close this. Okay. Now compile. Still there is one error. Let us see where is that error. Expression syntax. Okay, let us delete this printf statement. Let us delete this printf statement. Complete. Delete the printf statement. You have deleted everything. bracket n% 2 equal 0, bracket complete, question mark, in curly bracket, space and curly bracket, go to say x1 semicomma, close the curly bracket, colon, go to x2 semicomma, close the curly bracket, come down means enter, x1 colon and give the printf statement, printf bracket, given number %d is even, given number %d is even, double end comma complete, comma n, bracket complete, semicomma, enter, go to x3 semicomma, enter, x2 colon, give the similar statement printf for odd number, and for get ch give x3 colon, for get ch x3 colon, get ch, delete the last one, get ch, it will be a repetition. Compile now. Error, see, let us see what is that error. Expression syntax. Okay, we will see what is that expression syntax, because as such, in fact, there is no expression syntax, but still we will check it. Huh? So you can save this program. With the name tertiary operator. So can't you save? Tertiary operator. Okay, save it. And take back your screen.